What's up guys, it's your boy Shifty here, back at it again with another review on the second channel. Today we're gonna review this car that I'm not quite sure. There you go, the Audi A6 Avant 2.8 by Siku right here, sent in by Mark all the way from Germany. And Mark, thanks for sending me this car right here. And guys, check this out. So Audi, I didn't realize this was an Audi. This looks like a old style car, that's why I'm assuming, but here it is. So it has police decals, which is from Germany. Am I right? Oh my god, if I get this wrong, I'll be so disappointed of myself. But yeah, this reminded me of the BMW from the Euro style Hot Wheels series. Check this out. BMW M3. Check this out. And check this out. So Police, right? Germany. Guys, if I'm wrong, please burn me, please flame me in the comment section below, cause right now my brain is not working. I'm very tired, so if I got that wrong, I'm so sorry, my German subscribers. But yes, Police right there, and on the hood it says Police as well, and it says Police on the other side, and behind, no, there's no Police. But check this out. On the rear it has an opening hatch, which you guys know I love opening features. Who doesn't love opening feature? No, actually, some people don't like opening features because it leaves a gap around the car, right? So they say like, ooh, it spoils the image of the car, which to an extent I understand. Yeah, it kind of sucks that sometimes diecast manufacturers don't make opening features that nice, but on this one it's pretty nice. And we get sirens on top, which is cool. It says stop, which is kind of weird because if this is not in English, you know, police, they would put stop in German, right, or whatever language it is, but it's there and it has sirens right there. It also has this nice nifty antenna, which I have to unbend right there, and it's a nice touch, although I think that might be dangerous for kids to play with, right? Like, yeah, maybe it's not sharp, but it might poke their eye or something. I'm not sure, but for an adult collector like me, I can take care of this car, so that's a really nice touch. So really strange police car right here, Police Audi Avant. Is this based on a real police car? I'm not sure, but Siku did a great job on this one. I think it could use some rubber tires, but other than that, it's alright. Just could use some real light tempos, just real light tempos and rubber tires. I think that's really cool. So overall, I'll rate this car an 8.5 out of 10.